What's up, VIPs? We have a 2019 Ford F-150 lifted, some big wheels. We're doing a foam bath currently, getting this baby clean, taking all the dirt off of it. Foam bath basically softens up any of the dirt particles, makes it very easy to wash and maintain, especially with a black truck. You always want to keep it clean. So this customer just got a window tint on all sides in the back with the full front windshield, the ceramic tint. So we just did a wash for him as well. He says this thing is dirty, let's get it cleaned up, and that's what we are doing. Come on by and check us out. We're over here in Longwood, big orange building, 389 North US Highway 1792, and let us detail your vehicle.